Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fabulous day and happy 9th anniversary to BTS and to all armies around the world. And I hope many more years to come. And I'll be unboxing this, and so let's just hop to it. Ooh, do you realize this is actually heavy? Very heavy. So I have lots of copies coming from all different sources, let's just say, and not one of them I do have here yet, so nothing to unbox. But I tried to get this sooner from Target, and all of the Targets that I've been to has actually been sold out. But today we are going to be unboxing this. And I'm glad that it's sold out in all of the other Target, because that means more physical copies for the billboard. Wow, isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, by the way, I took off the cover, and you've seen a ton of unboxings before already, so I'm actually gonna go pretty quickly. Wow, look at this. Wow, it's heavy. Oh, that's beautiful. Did I just open it the wrong way? No. Oh, gorgeous. Let's open CD3. And I guess I've been hearing that CD3, of course, we all know, is CD only. And wow. So a lot of us probably don't have a CD player, so about time. Or either that or stay in your car and listen to it. Wow. Right. Perfect. Put this here. And then this is one of the cards. Whoa. Book. And book. Okay. So book. Gorgeous pics. Whoa. The two concepts. Beautiful. And you guys have been seeing all the different pre-order benefits, the different lucky draw also. They start showing the lucky draws. This is the epilogue. Oh. Nice. Okay. And the lyric books. Born Singer. Danger. And what is your favorite so far from the album? I'm actually liking Run BTS. That's pretty darn cool. And for youth, oh my goodness. Okay, I think we've seen all of the posters. This is a pretty big one, so it's not gonna open, but there's JK, there's Jimin and Hobie, and Jin, and Suga, and Ree. Perfect. For youth, and yet to come actually made me cry. Beautiful. Is this an open? Oh, Beyond. It opens on this side. Oh, Beyond the Scene. That's kind of beautiful. I really am not trying to take long, but this is really my first, and I haven't been watching. Oh wow, it's like the anthology of the different tours. Oh, this is awesome. And I haven't been watching the unboxings at all, because I'm trying really hard. I'm trying really hard to not do spoilers on myself. I love this box, don't you? Oh my god, this is gonna be awesome to be putting some stuff in. Oh my goodness, yes. Okay, So this is the goodies that we get. So let's see what I got. So first we get an entire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Oh, it does look gorgeous. Look at that. And he's side cut. Kind of reminds you of the golden days. Beautiful. Look at that. It's that silver. It's got a silver tone to it. JK in the army. Look at the rings that they're wearing. Wow, earrings. Whoa. Bulletproof. Yes. Wow, check out those rings. Jin. J-Hope. Oh, I wonder who's sponsoring the ring collection, because look at that. Look at all the rings. Wow. Oh. Look at these. So different. Kind of like a V. Wow, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yes, let's put that all in here. And this is a random group. This is my random the group then. That's beautiful though. Oh, I like the fact that it's front and back. Oh. Oh, okay. And this is ready. Again, another silver. Eee. Woo! It's Namjoon. Oh my goodness. His is black and white? Oh yeah, that's right. This is the black and white collection. Oh my goodness. Woo! Whoa. What is he holding? One of the pictures. One of the olden photos. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is who I got for today. That's it, right? All right. So I will see you back for another unboxing pretty soon when the other stuff arrives. Have a good day. Bye.